Oh, hello guys. Didn't see you there. So today we're trying to turn this into this. So my first thoughts are just like, take the old tyres off, put my Kart tyres on, boom. But it turned out to be quite a pain. This isn't going to work, is it? This is definitely going to be one of the weirdest things I've ever made, but let's get into it. So the original tyres won't work, so we're going to have to put, because like they don't have rims or anything, so we're going to have to put on wets instead, which don't look much better. This bit was painful. Mistake after mistake after mistake happened. Until, what if I put the wets on the front and then the slicks on the rear, like this? Ooh, idea. Now, before we show you the new and not necessarily improved version, we're going to show you what it was like just normal. Turn that on, and that too. Oh my god, this is hard to see one-handed. There we go. See? Good. As I was putting it together, I ran into a little situation. I didn't know that these were here, and now I've got to take those off as well. But now the time has come. The time to see how much worse I've made it. Here we have the masterpiece. This is obviously going to make it go like an extra 100 miles an hour now. Turning it on. I haven't actually tried this yet. I'm really nervous. Moment of truth. Now that counts as a fail. So the next test is the steering test. So can it steer? Steering test, here we go. I mean, moving the tyre. And it is turning a little bit. I think that passes. I think that's a pass. So I knew this test was pretty much a fail. So there was only thing one left to do with it. It did nothing. I'll take that. How's this still standing up? Anyway, that was a fail. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.
Why am I still here and waiting for us to happen? 'Cause you never want